What's up, my beautiful car people? We are here over at Vor Vegas off-roading experience. This shit is crazy. Dust everywhere. That's why I can't fucking see anything, but this is fun. Let's go.
Nobody pray for me. It been a day for me. Yeah. Hey, I remember syrup sandwiches